Hey guys, the tutorial today is about the remote control. Okay, it's a Phantom 3. This is the switch that you have. Just turn it on. This first LED is the link between the remote control and the Phantom. Once the drone is on and link it to each other, and this one goes green. Okay, and you have here the indicator of the battery level. So you have four LEDs, which means that you get 25% of the battery of the control. Okay, in here. Same indicator you have for the Phantom. You have four indicators, which means 25% of the battery for each. Okay, so from 0 to 100%. Okay, right. Remote control is very simple. Phantom 3. You have some others more advanced when you have more advanced drone, of course. That makes sense. For example, the professional Phantom 3 Professional, you get one more knob like that on the right side. You get some more switches here, and you have micro USB connector here. It's a bit different, but anyway, this one is fair enough. It's good enough for what we need to do with the drone. Okay, and you have here a little support for you to put your necklace, or that will support you. You don't need to hold the remote control all the time in your hand. You just need to make it loose and use the control more comfortably. Right, you have the antenna here. Always use in this position because you get the signal going this way. Don't do this because the signal doesn't come from here straight to the drone. It goes down. Yeah, the signal is around like this. So the correct position is this one, like that, just like so. So you have the signal going forward. There is an antenna booster, signal booster, that you really insert here, and the signal that will be theoretically lost will be pushed towards the drone. So it's about 10 euros, that device for you to add to your control. You have a support here that you can use to carry your remote, or just it's like the legs, the support legs of the remote control. You have the main switches here. Yeah, as you may know, it goes 360 degrees, left, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, 360 degrees. And the right side hand one is for you to go forward with the drone and back. Okay, right and left, just like the airplane way of flying. Okay, let's say if you put the remote control forward, the drone is flying this way. It's gonna do this, go forward. If you bring it back, it's coming back. Okay, if you put to the right, the drone will do this movement. The left, this movement. Okay, and the left one is for you to turn. It's the yaw, to turn around your drone. For example, you are hovering your drone in the sky. If you put it to the left, the drone will turn this way, like that. If you turn right, push right, it will turn this way. So what's the difference? If you press this one, the right one, the drone will do this. Okay, if you press the left one, the drone will do this. So you can do a combination of movements. For example, you can do both like that, and your drone will be, you will turn a bit to the left and turn in this way. It's like you turn the ailerons with the stabilizer of the airplane, something like that. Don't remember now. Anyway, which is used for nice maneuvers with your drone, so you can have nice take on your pictures and films as well. Okay. Still talking about the left, and then you push it up, your drone goes up the altitude, and you put down, your drone goes down. So holding the drone is the movement. Okay, left, the drone turn this way, right, like that, up, you go up, gaining altitude, down, goes down, it starts descending. And then the right one, if you press to the right, your drone will do this movement, left, this movement, push up, your stick goes forward and then back. Okay, simple movement. So you can use it really smoothly. Don't have a quick, sudden, strong movements. Just smooth movements for you to have a nice flight. Okay, and you have the supports here. The support is where you can put your mobile. Just have to unscrew it, push it. Oops, sorry. Put this one first. Put this to the top. Screw it back. When you screw, don't forget to screw, but be careful not to screw your remote control. Okay, and then the mobile goes here. It's very simple. Okay. Now we have the bottle SU1, S2, and this one. This one control. This bottle on the left controls the gimbal. Okay, let's have the drone. Second example here. Don't you worry, I'm going to record some videos outside flying the drone, actually flying, so we will be able to see how the switches work with the drone in practice. Okay, but basically when you roll it down or to the left, yeah, but same time down or left as you wish, and the camera will go down. If you put to the right, the camera will go up. Okay, if you need to make the camera to go left and right, then you have to yaw your drone. That's what the drone is going to do, right? And switch SU1, you have it on one position, first position, up position, which means that the drone will be flying on GPS mode. It's a safe mode. The drone will be hovering and won't go anywhere, even if there is a strong wind. Okay, position the middle, which means that you don't have controls on GPS anymore. So you have to basically keep your drones with your own control. Okay, in this mode, the drone will be pushed by the wind. You have to be very careful. We go through the whole setup of these switches, and I'll show you on the application as well how to use it properly. We're gonna do some flights outside. So for now, that's it. Okay, and the third position is when you get extra options on your application that you can use. Follow me. You can use in points of interest, and other stuff that you get this when you turn this switch down. Okay, usually used on the first position. The S2 is kind of emergency switch. Let's say your drone is flying away and you need to bring it back. Let's say you lose control somehow and you panic, you don't know what to do, and you just do this movement. See, up and down. You press it up and down. That's right. You press down and up, and the switch will make the drone to return home. Right? For example, as well, if you use the third position here with the point of interest, follow me, and stuff like that. If you want to start it, you press it down and up, and the drone starts. doing what you asked. If you want to stop it, you can do this as well. We'll stop. Okay, we'll go through those switches later, but anyway, for now, just a quick presentation about the remote control, something about the drone, and that's it. Please subscribe, let us know if you liked it, and you can ask us to post more videos about the drone itself, about the parts, about applications. Let us know if you like it, share it, and don't forget to check our Instagram for nice pictures. Thank you very much. See you soon.